shall claim their prizes at Sokatakutu main office and their respective sub-offices immediately after the draw date, except for the Mall General Santos City. Calling on our raffle coordinators, you may now press the start button. Flash on your screens right now is the simultaneous drawing of winners per district. Each nahanap yung mga natawag na naandali sa units of cellphone and 12 units of washing machine. And for our major prizes na ginapangan sa tanan, and here are our lucky winners sa Florida. Anakleta Sumalingo, Jezabel Fernando, Narcisa C. Silon, Wadi Carmen, Jack Kong, Richard Montilla,